Good morning, 早晨，早晨. What you all doing right now? It is same like me. Just wake up. Now it's 8 a.m. early morning. So later I will go into gym and swimming for my healthy lifestyle, and also I will do some breakfast, healthy breakfast as well. That's what I usually do for my daily. So I will show you. Today is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. So this is my breakfast for this morning. What I have is a kind of a veggie, tomato, garlic, and chicken. Actually, I will make it like really simple. What I do is just steam. I just steam it. No oil, no salt, maybe just a little bit of soya sauce. That's it. Okay, for the first, you will see I boil some hot water because I love this steam cooker so much. And then after that, I will just put all my ingredients here for the second stage. And then the third, because I prefer a little bit rice for today. After that, just close it. That's it. So simple. Boom. Done it. That was my breakfast. But I will just let it steam first because I will go to gym right now. So after I came back here, I have my breakfast done. Okay, let's see how was my breakfast. Maybe you would think a bit heavy, but for me still okay because I eat not much. Sorry, I eat a lot. Okay, I think it's almost done. I think it's done. Okay, I will show you guys what I usually take my breakfast. Before breakfast, I will do my favorite. It's blended veggie smoothie. Okay, that's what I need. I will add on a little bit of soya milk powder. You also can add on milk as well, but I prefer milk. But I have no time to buy some milk. Okay, I will put some nut. Depends on how much you want. Okay, probably some oat. You know, it's okay. Here, okay, that's enough. Try to blend it together. Wow, a lot. Yeah, done. Still quite a lot. Hey guys, cheers. Hi everyone. I just done everything, just done my gym, I just finished my breakfast and my smoothie. But now I'm really going to work, but the weather is so dark right now. I think it's almost rain. Okay, but I still didn't go to work. I will show you my working place later. Oh, hi. Guess what? We almost finished our work. Of course, happy hour time. Because before the meeting, we just start a small party first. Let's see. Cheers. Cheers. Canby, say hello. Yes, but she don't drink. What a waste. I can show you. Sometimes we will play around here. You can see the music is a music stage here. So we play guitar, we singing here, and also lucky draw. Cheers. Hello everyone. Devo Head Connection can run until right now. We want to thank you to our friends and clients. Even though sometimes I feel a bit tired, I feel lost, I feel alone, but because you all keep supporting me, I'm not gonna to feel alone anymore. And Brian Young will always be beside of you. So coming up, I want you guys to sing this song together with me. Another day has gone, I'm still feeling alone. How could this be? You're not here with me. You never say goodbye. Someone tell me why do you have to go? Leave my world so cold. Every day I see and ask myself, how did I slip away? Someday whisper in my ear and say, you are not alone, for I'm here with you. Though you're far away, I'm here to stay. But you are not alone, for I'm here with you. Though we far apart, you're always in my heart. But you are not alone. I love you guys.